Hi guys, this is going to be a quick review of the Hyper Tough surface cleaner. So this is of course a Walmart product. I do have a Sunjoe electric power washer. I think it's rated at 2300 psi if I'm not mistaken. It's all electric, so pretty easy. Of course, there it is. So that's my son in the background. So I did get this. This is an 11-inch surface cleaner, guys, and oh my god, I did all of that right there just with the wand, and that probably took me an hour. Just do one square versus with this guy, 10 seconds, I'm probably done. So I just did these two. You can see all that dirt. That's all that dirt that this just extracted out of the ground. It's so easy. You can do it with one hand. Let me see if it'll show on video. If not, I'll show a picture of how this thing does. It does have brushes on the bottom, and it does have as well, that's basically how it is right there. It shoots streams of water. So let me see if I can capture it on video how well this thing cleans. So I got this, I believe this was $20, but I had a coupon through Walmart for I got it for only like $8 because they messed up one of my orders. So I had they gave me a little coupon and I bought this guy. So let's go ahead and see what it does. And with like one stroke, guys, look at that. I know you guys can probably see that. This side right here is lighter than this side. It's not due to a shadow or anything. And you can see right there where it's pushing out that dirt. So look at that, light, and boom, that's dark. So really nice cleaner, guys. I highly recommend it. Now this is my first time using it, so I don't know how long it'll last, but it did have better reviews than the 14-inch one, so that's why I got this 11-inch one. And for households, this is what you need. So look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that on video, but it's cleaning it so effortlessly. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. That's how fast that was. And actually took a couple more strokes and everything just to clean it. And wow, guys, it did an amazing job. I can't wait for my wife to get home and see this. Like I said, I'm a first-time homeowner, and just my sidewalk was getting really dirty, so I had to wash it. And of course, you can wash cars. My son over there, he's playing with his little toy that he hasn't played with in about 2 years. There's the dog, and I'm about to wash, like I said, the cars and my bicycle. So power washer is definitely worth it. And this little guy right here, like I said, for 20 bucks retail, it's not bad at all. So highly recommend it for you guys. Go ahead and check it out. We'll have a link in the description below. Quick little review, not bad at all. Just have these handles where you can pick it up. Let me show you real quick before I end this video the box that it came with. There it is. It's an 11-inch surface cleaner for electric pressure washers. So I think the main thing that people are using this for is maybe the gas powered ones that are like 3800 or 4200 psi or whatever it is. This is for electric pressure washers. So the one I have is electric, so that's why it fits most electric models. 1/4 inch quick connect, so that's the standard one. I'll show you that mine does. Max is 2300 psi, so that is rated for the maximum that my pressure washer can do. It's a Sunjoe, and ideal for driveways, sidewalks, and patios. And like I said, if you guys would see how dirty my sidewalk is, I actually had to do the backyard. It's filthy. And you can see, like I said, it's better than using a wand because I cleaned my driveway with a wand, and you can kind of just see the inconsistencies. I don't know if it captures it on the camera, but you can see the inconsistencies. Versus this, it's going to be a perfect circle and clean it really good. So overall, 5 out of 5 stars for me right now. Like I said, I'll do an updated video in the future. And of course, Walmart does have a really good delivery service through their Walmart Plus app or Walmart Members app. I'm a member, and I ordered this last night at 11 p.m. Got this delivered today at about 11 a.m. So really cool, and definitely more clean to do. Like I said, there's the dirt. Dragonic Warfare sign off, guys. Hopefully you guys like this review. Quick review. Overall, 10 out of 10 for me, 5 out of 5, whatever it is. Walmart, you got a winner, because these are pretty expensive if you get like a name brand ones. I've seen the ones go for like 100 plus. This one was 20 bucks and it does its job. That's what I like. So cheap, easy, really good product. Thank you guys.